the ability to adjust the direction of the tip that enables the runner to follow a vertical score, an angled score, or a horizontal score makes the runner the perfect tool to run a score to create a circle. When cutting a glass circle, it's always best to start with a square that is at least 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters larger than the circle you want to create. We will start with a 12-inch square, 30.5 centimeters, to make an 11 1/2 inch circle, 29 centimeters. Find the center of the square by connecting an X from the corners. Then adjust the circle cutter jig to make an 11 1/2 inch circle, 29 centimeters. Then center the circle cutter using the X. Now mark a start-finish line so you will know when to stop the score. If your intention is to create a split ring, a donut shape, be sure to draw a line all the way around the central cup of the circle cutter jig. That line will enable you to easily find the center of your circle when you have to score the split ring circle. Now that everything is set up, let's score the circle from the start line all the way around to the finish line. Then take the circle cutter off the glass and set it aside. Turn the directional knob on the runner to the horizontal position. Place the runner on the glass to align with your score and gently squeeze the handles to start the run. Then turn the glass 90 degrees, place the runner and gently squeeze the handles. Continue until the run has started on all 4 sides. Now we will turn the directional knob to the right angle position. Then place the runner to the right of center, a little closer to the corner, with the directional indicator directly over the score. Squeeze the handles gently to chase the score around the corner. Turn the glass 90 degrees and repeat this for all 4 corners. Now we will turn the directional knob to the left angle position. Then place the runner to the left of center and squeeze the handles to connect the score around the corner. Turn the glass and repeat this for all 4 corners. The run should be fully connected around the entire circle. Let's check the back side of the glass to ensure the score is complete. Use the runner on any areas that do not appear to be fully run. Now we will use a glass cutter to score the relief lines. It may be possible to break out the circle with a single relief line. However, it's good practice to score 4 lines around the circle. The final step is to set the directional knob to the vertical position. Break out the first relief score, then check if the perimeter glass will pull away from the circle. If it doesn't, continue around the circle to break out the other 3 relief lines. The corners should fall away. This circle is almost ready for us to create a split ring, but there may be some sharp flanges, so I will use the edger around the outside perimeter to make it safer to handle. Now that we have a circle, we can create a split ring. Split rings are useful in glass fusing to make an exquisite border around the perimeter of a bowl. Adjust the size of the circle cutter jig to score the split ring. Place the circle cutter back on the glass disc using the center circle you marked earlier. Now run the circle cutter around the glass without any pressure to make sure it is fully centered. Then score the circle from the start line all the way around to the finish line. Then take the circle cutter off the glass. Adjust the directional knob on the runner to the horizontal position. Then place the runner on the glass at the start-finish mark and align it directly over the score. Then gently squeeze on the handles to start the run. Turn the glass disc a little and use the runner to move the run a little further. Then turn the disc again and repeat until you have chased the run all the way around the circle. Now inspect the run and use the runner on any areas that do not appear to be complete. Now make sure the disc is right side up, that is the side you scored. Then find the start-finish mark and make a single score starting just outside of the circle score and pull back to the edge. Adjust the directional knob on the runner to the vertical position, then place the runner on the glass at the start-finish mark, then gently squeeze the handles. The split ring should be free. Gently pull the ring apart and allow the center circle to drop away.